Hey Spanish learners, can I tell you something that is going to make you feel so much better right now? Most people think you need to learn 14 tenses to speak Spanish. 14. That number alone makes people quit before they even start, but here is the truth. You only need 3 tenses to have real, confident Spanish conversations. Just 3. I'm Lily. Welcome to Speak Spanish with Ben and Lily. Let's go. The first tense you need is the present tense. This one covers everything happening right now and everything you do regularly. Hablo español. I speak Spanish. Trabajo todos los días. I work every day. ¿Dónde vives? Where do you live? This one tense covers your job, your habits, your daily life, your opinions, your feelings. Right now, every day, always. That is already most of your conversations covered. The second tense you need is the simple past, el pretérito. This covers everything that already happened. Comí una pizza. I ate a pizza but fui al trabajo. I went to work. ¿Qué hiciste ayer? What did you do yesterday? Think about how often you talk about your day, your weekend, something that happened. That is all past tense. And with just these regular patterns, you can tell stories, share experiences, and have real conversations about your life. The third tense you need is not even a traditional tense. It is a simple formula. Ir a plus any verb. Going to do something, voy a comer. I am going to eat. Vamos a hablar. We are going to talk. ¿Qué vas a hacer mañana? What are you going to do tomorrow? Native Spanish speakers use this all the time in casual conversation. It is simple, natural, and incredibly powerful. Now watch this. A full real conversation using only these 3 tenses. ¿Dónde trabajas? Where do you work? Trabajo en una oficina. I work in an office. ¿Qué hiciste ayer? What did you do yesterday? Fui al gimnasio y comí con mi familia. I went to the gym and ate with my family. ¿Qué vas a hacer este fin de semana? What are you going to do this weekend? Voy a descansar. I am going to rest. That is a complete, natural, real conversation. Present, past, future. 3 tenses. That is all you needed. You do not need to master 14 tenses before you start speaking. You need 3. Start with the present tense today. Just that one. Practice it. Use it. Build confidence. Then add the past. Then add ir, a. Small steps, real progress. If this helped you, subscribe to Speak Spanish with Ben and Lily. New episode every single day. And tell me in the comments, which of these 3 tenses feels hardest for you right now? I read every single comment. I'm Lily. Keep going, keep speaking, keep thinking in Spanish. Hasta la próxima. Bye!